eventually see the Mike O'Callaghan-Patoma Bridge. That's a large bridge you saw when you drive in. Directly behind us is Lake Mead and the Colorado River that's heading north. To our left is the state of Arizona, and the city of Las Vegas is roughly this direction right over there. This is the Nevada side of the power plant. We have a semi-identical building on the Arizona side. I say semi-identical because Arizona actually needs one more generator, so we have one less here on the Nevada side. So I'd like to point out a few really cool things of our power plant. First, draw your attention up towards the American flag. That's attached to one of our two P&H bridge cranes. These cranes are primarily used when we need to do maintenance on the machinery and the generators below. Each crane is incredibly strong. One crane alone can lift upwards of about 300 tons. So to give you some reference, the Statue of Liberty in New York City weighs around 225 tons. So one crane alone can lift up the entire Statue of Liberty. Now the reason we have two of them is the rotors inside the generators that actually produce electricity can weigh upwards of about 550 tons. So we would need to combine the strength of the two cranes together in order to lift up the machinery and let the inspectors and the engineers work below. Now speaking of maintenance and repairs, I'd like to draw your attention to a large hole in the floor. That's not normally supposed to be there. What is normally there is what's known as a pelted water wheel. A pelted water wheel is just another device to produce hydroelectric power. We use this to produce all of our in-house electricity. So everything from the elevators we just rode down on, the microphone, the cappuccino machines, we all produce our own electricity here at the dam. Right, next I'd like to draw your attention to the large red circular objects. These are the actual commercial generators, sort of the heart of the beast here. Again, I said that we have 8 here in Nevada and another 9 on the Arizona side. These are incredibly powerful generators. One generator alone can produce upwards of about 130 megawatts of electricity. So to again give you some reference, one generator can charge about 130,000 cell phones for a year. Right? So again, 17 total tells you just how much electricity we're actually producing here at the dam. I'd like to draw your attention now to the floor below your feet. This is kind of an interesting thing. Zane talked earlier about some of the nice aesthetic things we put in here to make it beautiful for the tourists. One of them is our terrazzo marble. This is a specialty marble developed here for the dam. We did this for two reasons. One, it's a bit more cost effective to produce this. And two, one of the other goals of the dam was to bring the entire nation together as a whole in the construction process. So for example, we brought in steel from Pittsburgh and workers from Texas. And these floors are made from raw materials from New Hampshire, Georgia, and New Mexico. So we got different components and just put it all together in here. Next thing I want to show you here, you might notice this piece of artwork. Again, we did a lot of things here to sort of